Title: Harmony. Meaning. Today, we're discussing the word harmony. Harmony is a noun that signifies a pleasing arrangement or combination of different elements, resulting in a balanced and unified whole. It represents the beautiful blending of various components to create a unified and peaceful existence. Pronunciation. Pronouncing harmony is simple. ʻhɑːrməni, with a soft H and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, a musical composition. The different instruments work together in harmony to create a symphony of sounds. Importance. Harmony is essential in various aspects of life, promoting balance, cooperation, and a sense of unity among individuals and elements. Conclusion. In summary, harmony is a word that represents the delightful result of elements coming together in a balanced and unified way. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the significance of harmony in creating a peaceful and well-balanced existence.